Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. I'm Kevin, and I'm so grateful you took a moment out of your day to spend it with me, your guide to all things crypto and DeFi. Now, before we begin, remember none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, just a dad who enjoys exploring the crypto and DeFi space. And if you enjoy content like this, please like and subscribe, ping that notification bell, and share this content with anyone who wants to expand their knowledge of crypto and DeFi. Also, please consider checking out our webpage, dadsdefispace.org, free educational articles on DeFi, crypto, a free course, and my community. And consider connecting with me on X, CryptoZone 1013, and Telegram Dad DeFi 1013. Enough of the introductions. Let's get to today's video. DeFi Masterclass available if you join for free and check out our free crypto and DeFi course for beginners. If you want an even more detailed course, and I suggest getting any free course that you can get your hands onto in this space, you can check out the free course from Crypto Labs Research also, or consider joining their UIV investing group. But I wanted to have a quick talk about safety in DeFi and correlative pairs. I thought this would be a great for us to talk about the crypto and DeFi, or excuse me, DeFi safety within these markets. These graphics are trying to show you the difference between centralized and decentralized, right? Decentralized adds more value to a network. There is no one point of failure. There is no one point of centralized control. One thing that I want you to be aware of is this on the right, this space, right? So to get involved in decentralized finance, you have to know your DeFi and crypto security measures. And these are important for crypto investors. They're important for DeFi investors. They're important for T investors. If you are involved in the crypto and DeFi space, this is for you. But first and foremost, you need to assess the risk of the platforms you're using. Did it have a smart contract audit, platform security, the protocol sustainability? It's good to see audits that were performed by a non-biased outside source. Implement strong security practices, right? Keep most of your, more than half of mine is in cold storage. Just is. The part that's not in cold storage, I'm running DeFi. A lot of those I even have tied either to a Tangent or a Ledger. Wallets you see on my channel, those are my wallets, but they are not all of my wallets, obviously. Some of them I don't want everyone to know about, and neither should you. Right. So be cautious of phishing attacks and scams. You see them in my comments. You'll occasionally you might see one get through on my webpage. You see them all over YouTube, all over X. These bots and scams will even target you, yield farmers and liquidity providers trying to push you into positions that are right. Watch out for email, Telegram, and X scams. If it sounds too good to be true, guess what? And never ever invest more than you can afford to lose. You should keep your bull run bag, your assets on hardware storage wallet, e-sig, I don't know, put it on a metal plate, buried in the ground, bank vault, use at least 2 or 3 different places. You want to make sure that you don't put it all in one spot, putting it into a single point of failure. Thank you for staying with me the entire video, and I hope you are leaving a little bit smarter about either crypto or DeFi. Like and subscribe to help support the channel. Check out our webpage at dadsdefispace.org. And if you really want to consider developing your DeFi game, check out Crypto Labs Research Underdog Investment Group, the best DeFi private community in this space. And if you're interested in trading on a non-KYC exchange, check out our link from Weeks, $30,000 of USDT, or if you're not interested, maybe Blowfin or BitUnix. The links in the description are affiliates, but they do help support the channel. Again, thank you and have a grateful day. Keith.